Assalamu alaikum class. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will learn about okay class. Today we will learn about our new topic, recognizing rotational symmetry. Okay, so we just recognize the rotational symmetry either once we will rotate like this one. Okay, how many times this shape will come? Okay, the same shape will come. Okay, so let's suppose if I rotate from left to right, means toward up, or then down and then up and down. Okay, or down and then left again, plane form. So we just rotate this one. Okay, so here we have the first example. Let me show you here. This one is our first example. Okay, if you rotate this, okay, let's suppose toward up, same, down one time, again down, zero, then again one, two times. Okay, so if we rotate two times, okay, if you rotate 360, so this shape will be same in two times. Okay, so same like this. If you rotate this, okay, so it will just come when it will come back to its original position. Okay, so like this we will know this out. Okay, here is a square. How many order of rotations? Four times. Okay, why? Because if you turn this, its shape will remain the same. And if I'm talking about this will be two times. Okay, once time up, then once he go toward 180 degree, then it's same, and then 360. And this one, it's also two time. This one is one time. This one is four time. This one is uh, two time as well. Let's check this one. Look at it, two times, four time, one time, two, and four, as I told you before. Now, in the second one, sort these chord in their correct groups. Each group must have a one blue, one green, and one yellow. Okay, rectangle. Which one is rectangle? So you need to connect this all. Okay, what will you need to do here? A rectangle. Which one is rectangle? This one is rectangle. Okay, second one. Okay, so one blue I connect with green and yellow. Okay, so this one is yellow. First I connect this. Okay, blue connect with yellow. Now we will connect this with green. So two order of rotational symmetry. So which will have two order of rotational symmetry? This one. Okay, so now let's choose another color like yellow. I'm talking about scalene triangle. So which one is scalene triangle? Means two sides are same. Okay, so no sides are same. So this one is this one I. Okay, and how many rotation of symmetry? One only. So this one is this. Okay, now let's choose a green color. Green color equilateral triangle is this. Okay, and it has a three order of rotation. So this one is this. Okay, so with the help of this, I hope you understand this all. Okay, let me show you their answers. Here you can see AB and 2, BC1 and CA3. Okay, now let's talk about question number 3. Okay, write in the order of rotation symmetry of each of the following. How many order of rotations? You just rotate this. Okay, so it's a 4. First is 4. Look at here, 4. Second is 2. Let's check 2. Yes, 2. Third is 1. Fourth is 4. E is 4. 3, sorry. And F is 2. F is 1, sorry. Okay, G is 1. I is 2. H is 2. I is also 2. J is 1. K is 1. J and K is 1. And O is, oh, sorry, last is L is 4. Look at here, 1, 1, and 4. Okay, now copy this one. Okay, so order of rotations. So 0, Okay. He's talking about the A1, okay, which will have zero line of symmetry. Three, number of line of symmetry, zero order of rotation symmetry. Okay. Line of symmetry means if you draw a line, how many times left and right side will be same. Okay. So that is A is zero time. Okay. Okay. And which one is, first of all, we need to find order of rotations. Okay. Which will have how many order of rotations. Okay. And this will have two. So B must be in the place of two. B must be in the place of 2. And how many line of symmetry? This will have 2 line of symmetry. Okay. So with the help of this, we need to find, if you don't know, so it's a easy way is, here you can see how many order of rotation, 1. Okay. And 2, this is 2 line of symmetry. Okay. And how many order of rotation? There is 2 order of rotation and 2 line of symmetry. If I'm talking about this one, I just put this here, 1. Okay. This one is line of symmetry, 2, 3 and 4, 4 line of symmetry. Okay, here I just put C here. Okay, and how many order of rotations? 4. 4 by 4 here, it must be here in this place. C must be here. So let's see. Okay, this one 0. Okay, 0 line of symmetry. And how many order of rotation? I think 2. D, let's check this one. D is 2 and 0. Okay, so same like this. I hope you understand this one. Now let's talk about question number 5. Okay, same as it is, you need to solve this. Okay, the Samir have 5 red tiles, okay, and 4 white tiles. So you can see this. There are two different ways of the Samir could rearrange the tiles. So he shape the order of rotation of symmetry will be 4. So in the middle, okay, he put 4. No, yeah, outside the layer, middle one must be red, okay, and outside will be 4. Like this, I will show you like this. Middle one is red, okay, and outside will be 4, and other side will be again the red one. Okay, either these all are the pattern. You can draw any one of these. You can see here any one of these you will draw. Okay, now here Alex is making a pattern by coloring the square. Okay, so once you color the square, this is so far. So he has colored a 7 square, 2, 4, 6, and where he put a color here, so it will be same. So make a 2 copies of the diagram. In the first diagram, color one more square so that the new patterns has a rotational symmetry of order will be 2. Okay, so where he put a color, so it must be true. So if he color here, okay, in this place, okay, let's suppose I will show you here. Okay, if I color here, where is the purple color? If we color here, okay, in this place, okay, so once I rotate this, so I will get a 2 order of rotations. Okay. Okay, in second form, the color the 5 more squares so that a new pattern of rotation of symmetry F order 4. Okay, so once you can add, he said 5 more squares. If you put 5 more squares, so its order of rotation must be 5. He said 5. Why he said 5? Look at here. If I put here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so if we color the 5, so you will get this answer, this type of answer. Okay, so we have two things. First one is this. Okay, if you color here, so you will get 2 order of rotation, and he said 5. So if you draw like this one, okay, you add 1 here, and you will add 1 here, and 1 here, and 2 here, so you will get the same answer. So Same like the 8.4, the symmetrical symmetry properties of a triangle and the special uh, pairs. 1 minute. Special quadrilateral and polygons. So here in this exercise, we will learn about all these triangles. Okay, so you must know all these things about their size, angle, order of rotations, how many order of rotations you have. Either I'm talking about triangles, sphere, quadrilateral, or polygons, regular polygons. Okay, I'm a coordinator, so with the help of that, you will find it easy. With one of my line of symmetry of order is one, I have two pairs. Okay, so if he's talking about one order of rotation, okay, and one line of symmetry, so it's mean only this is the kite, okay, because kite has one order of rotation and one line of symmetry. That's why. Okay, okay. Describe the similarity and the difference between square and rhombus. Okay, square all side has the same length. Okay, and rhombus also have all sides are same. Okay, they are quite similar. Okay, but there's little bit similar. The opposite angle of the square are equal, but they are all 90. But in case of rhombus, their angle is not 90. Okay, they have a different symmetrical properties. You can see the difference. What is the difference? Opposite angle are equal. Okay, and all sides have a same length. Okay, in rhombus, and two pairs of a parallel side. And what is the difference? All angles in a squares are 90. Okay, and they are not the case of rhombus. Okay, whereas in square it's a 90, but in rhombus it's not 90. The square has four line of symmetry, but rhombus has two line of symmetry. Okay, the square has four order of rotation and the rhombus have two order of rotation. So you need to remember this all. So here you have a question. So first question is, I have a three sides and that all have the same length. I have a three equal angles. I have a three line of symmetry and three order of rotation. So he's talking about equilateral triangle. Let's check this one. Equilateral triangle. Okay. Now I have four sided. I have one line of symmetry and one rotation of symmetry of order is one. Okay, so four side it means he's talking about quadrilateral. Two of my angles are equal and I have two pairs of equal length side. So he's talking about like kite, rhombus, and all these things. Okay, any one of these or trapezium like this. So here he mentioned here I have one rotation and one line of symmetry. So which will have one rotation and one line of symmetry? One line of symmetry and one rotation. Okay, so he's talking about trapezium. Let's check this. So here is also a kite, as I told you before, kite and trapezium. Okay, any one of these. But he said one pair of, he mentioned one thing extra. I have two pair of equal length side. I have two pairs. Okay, we have two pair of equal length. So he's talking about isosceles trapezium. Let's check this. No, he's talking about kite. Okay. Okay, as it is same, you need to solve. I have a six-sided, all of my side have a same length, and I have a six lines of symmetry. He's talking about regular hexagon. Okay, now same like this, you need to solve. Describe the similarity between rectangle and parallelogram. Okay, and what is the difference of isosceles trapezium and kite? Okay, so you need to find this. And question number 4, here you have the answers. Okay, so with the help of this one, okay, so you need to put the right answer. I will show you their answers. Here are the right answer, but you just read behind, okay, behind the paper, okay, that I already show you, and you can solve this. Question number 5, G and K and, oh sorry, question number 5, you need to solve. Okay, which one is trapezium, which one is like all angle are 90. Okay, so he's talking about if yes, okay, the order of rotation is 2. If yes, so it's a rectangle, otherwise it's a square. So K must be square and L must be, so if you're talking about K must be, A must be K. A is trapezium. But here is just one pair of sides. Okay, so it's not possible. Three side, yes. If no, then you come here. B, yes, B is okay. I told you before, okay. And D is your rectangle. You can see here, D is your rectangle and B is your square, as I told you before. So with the help of this, you just solve this all. Here you have all this one, okay. So he just want to know where he put a D, A, B, C, D. He want to make a rectangle. If he want to make a square, so he put here in this place, in the place of 7 and 4. So let's check. Okay, but he said point move from the coordinate ABC in the parallelogram. Seven and four. Now he already mentioned here 7 and 4 if he's talking about coordinator. Okay, so the point D move so that the coordinate ABCD is a parallelogram. If he's moving D, so it will be a parallelogram. So how he will make a parallelogram? What is the coordinate 1 and 4? So where is 1 and 4? 1 and 4. So if you put here, so it will, you will make it parallelogram. Okay, if the point B is moving, so it's look like a kite. So if you put it here or here, so it will be a kite. 6 and 5, where is 6 and 5? 6 and 5 here. Okay, and Eden 3. So any one of these way you put, so you will get make a kite with it easily. Okay, so this one is the end of unit review. Okay, so it seemed like before. Okay, so you here are the answer of your question, end of unit review. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. So take care. Goodbye. See you in the next class.